Derivatives of the pharyngeal arches. First arch, that is also called as the Meckel's cartilage. Muscles related with first arch, muscles of mastication. For example, temporalis, masseter, medial and lateral pterygoid, tensor villi palatini, tensor tympani, anterior belly of digastric and mylohyoid. Second arch, that is also called as Richard's arch. So the Richard's second arch pharyngeal cartilage, muscles related with muscles of facial expression. Okay, posterior belly of digastric, stylohyoid and stapedius. Now the third arch is related with stylopharyngeus muscle. Fourth arch related with cricothyroid, constrictors of pharynx, muscles of palate except the tensor villi palatini. Sixth arch is intrinsic muscles of larynx except cricothyroid. So all the muscles related with pharyngeal arches. Now the nerve. First arch is related with pre-traumatic, that is cauda tympani nerve, and post-traumatic, that is mandibular nerve. So the cauda tympani nerve branch of 7th and mandibular nerve branch of 5th related with first arch. Now the second arch, proper facial nerve is related with second arch. Glossopharyngeal nerve is related with third arch. Superior laryngeal nerve branch of vagus related with fourth arch, and recurrent laryngeal nerve is related with sixth arch. The skeletal elements related with first arch: premaxilla, maxilla, zygomatic bone, temporal bone, malleus and incus. Once again, premaxilla, maxilla, zygomatic and temporal bones, and incus and malleus. Now the skeletal animals, second arch: stapes, styloid process, short or lesser cornu of hide bone, superior part of the body of the hide bone. Third arch, greater cornu of hide bone and lower part of the body of the hide bone. Third arch. Now the fourth arch is related with laryngeal cartilages except epiglottis. The ligament of the first arch, anterior ligament of the malleus and sphenomandibular ligament. Once again, ligament of first arch, anterior ligament of malleolus and sphenomandibular ligament. Stylohyoid ligament is related with second arch of pharyngeal cartilages. Nerve, cauda tympani and mandibular, first arch, facial nerve, second arch, glossopharyngeal nerve, third arch, superior laryngeal nerve, fourth arch, recurrent laryngeal nerve, fifth arch. Muscles of mastication, first arch. Muscles of facial expression, second arch. Stylopharyngeus, third arch. Muscles of pharynx, fourth arch. Muscles of larynx, sixth arch.